hotel that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found.
I can imagine. Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? We are on our way to Home Affairs, guys. This is Sisibambi train nomuntu wami. It's Chile. It's Chile, so bored, no. So super bored. Now we're gonna go catch a taxi. Gonna go to Home Affairs and do some for each and do some adult stuff, adulting. So yeah, come with us. I don't know if this is spend a day with me. What is this? Oh, yesterday we received a package. Super excited about that. Here's Cal. Zamagwinya. Sasa a long walk.
Why is late? I see me takes train, I mean.
Why? Because we were slow the whole entire time.
Never. You went to take the kids.
Yeah, because you were slow for some reason. No, when's I must boom. Okay, guys. See you later. See you when we get to Home Affairs. Bye for now.
Take time to just stay right.
We have arrived.
To the place that
We don't have.
and if it's okay, I'll just say that I was struggling. All the memories they took me back. Oh yeah. Now I've had pain and I've had so much sorrow, but I've had hope and joy of tomorrow. I've had pain
Guys, it's a stuffy, Banana lighting. Guys, we're done here at Home Affairs. Actually came to get our marriage certificates. We've been procrastinating it, but we finally got it. You know the thing you're good to win because it's so idea. So now we didn't have a choice but to come and do it. So yeah, let's go. I don't know where we're going, Marasambe. Cow. Timpi, but 10 rand laminator. Should we do it?
Don't do it.
I think we should. Soma. But home. Nani yazibuza ukuthi siyaphi manje kanti yenzakalani la emaharhareni. Hey, Nkosi yami.
Siyenza ngiyami nama-agisi awayenza yebo.
Guys, we're getting the thing eliminated here. Stimpi. Keep it 50 rand. Big nama 200 rand. 50 rand, I think I for something.
Only 200 rand.
And you and keep it 50 rand. Is a double check. Some laminating, guys. Sawa nawa?
Niyaphila kodwa.
Saphila.
10 rand, I'm like 20 rand.
Siyabonga.
Kahle kumusweni uNkulunkulu uniphile.
Ngiyabonga.
Ungajaha ukuthi uthola igift uNkulunkulu ngoba uthola imali. Abanye basenyangeni bafuna ukushada khona manje. Inyanga mayishadaka but imnika umuntu ukuthi ashade. Isibusiso nje uNkulunkulu aniphe sona abafethu.
Siyabonga baba. Siyabonga.
Le business ichubeka.
Thank you. Okay. That is maybe wheel or something. Guys, Nizbonel. I hope you will have some better. Oh wow, there is a pleasant, nice message from Umkulu. It's always nice to get some blessings from Wantabatal. Guys, okay, so it's Lemonade. I don't know where we're going, but one thing I know, we are thirsty. So, Asamben, guys. So, we sat here for how long? Like, Home Affairs? About 2.5 hours, Sila. So, yeah, can imagine. Sambin. Guys, we are. Really? Do you really think people get things by being nice and whatever. Guys, we are walking to Sundula Hector Peterson Manj. Hector Peterson Museum, Lena. What do they call it?
Hector Peterson Museum.
Yes, Lula Hector Peterson.
Museum.
We are making a museum. That's home. We're making our way to the train station. We're gonna take the train. Yay! Hector Peterson. Have you guys been here before? I'm a tourist lapayana. I've never been to Hector Peterson. Hector Peterson Museum, that's so embarrassing.
Twice.
Have you been there twice? Yes, God. I've never been, guys. That's so embarrassing.
Actually, both times it was cool. One was Georgetown because it's doing tourism, and then the other time was
For fun. You didn't take me there. Let's come to the museum. No, but judge. Check this, guys. Record. See? Hi, kids. Guys, now I'm alone. I'm a judge. Judge. Yo, asambeni.
yazila eduze.
Nazi indwangu.
Yazila eduze base.
Ukhulumela phezulu la. Getting some tickets. Dun, dun, zara. Take me home underground.
Where are we going to put off at
Tanzania. Stairs. Sana's you. Made it to the platform, y'all. The last time Batsi you can't record, but it was a different station. It wasn't this station. So yeah. Headed
Baby, we're going back.
for the train.
I think supposed to go forward.
Silly.
But there's no place to sit.
There's no place to sit anyway. It looks like there's construction and stuff. Get fun. I think it's fine here in the middle. I think Lapsetla Kona, it's gonna be in the middle, Ganjin. They're gonna go to the mall. Gonna go to the mall, guys, and then go home from there. So, mall way sana, all the way. Take me to the mall any day. I'm okay.
So I was doing tissue here on the station.
This is my outfit of the day, reporting live from the train station. Lovely place to be. The sun is out, it's a beautiful day. And this is my outfit of today. I'm wearing my fur coat that I bought many years ago. I think I got this coat in Mr. Pricey. This shirt of mine that I love so much is DH. And she see Lilana the other day, so I'm so sad. And then I've got these jeans from Pep. I think these jeans are from Pep, and then I've got my loafers from Jets, and these shades from a shop that I got in Southgate, Sweet Heaven. Yeah. So now my shades are abused on Cal. He's wearing the other pair, so yeah. Waiting for the train. This is it, guys. This is me for the day. Do you like it? And that's on per. So this next up is Calvin. He's complaining, guys.
Okay. Outfit for the day. Well, this was bought by Johanna.
What?
The price.
Oh, the jacket.
The jacket was a hand-me-down from Johanna's late uncle.
Yes.
Jeans. This is actually chinos.
Chinos?
Mr. Price.
Yes.
And these are black sneakers from Mr. Price as well. And then I'm
Got those in
wearing,
Mr. Price, what?
yes, and then I'm wearing shades from Sweet Heaven. The one Jan just said that we
Yeah.
abuse.
Yes.
These are the ones with the leopard print, and she's wearing the plain brown. And then street hat from
Josie
Town,
Berg.
you know, and then beard natural from Calvin, my skin, with the handsomeness. Otherwise, yeah,
Oh,
this is the
okay.
outfit of the day.
Okay.
She liked strap down.
You like that?
This is the outfit of the day.
Danko. Guys, do you see the Twin Towers all the way there? My Twin Towers, Gesana. Soweto views, no, okay? Our beautiful Soweto, which I absolutely love so much. Forever and always, Soweto, you'll be my baby. You will always be my baby. Guys, I don't think I've showed you my stick-on nails, guys. Look at them. Yeah, ngizobona kahle futhi in this lighting. These stick-on nails. I need to remember message ukuthi ngithenge amasha. I want to take these off. I was very skeptical about them, but Cal was like, no babe, try them out. So these are them. Yeah, they're quite cute, especially in the sun, because you can actually see the actual colors out. I like them. This is my other hand. The train is coming, y'all. Do y'all hear it? This is my other hand. I love it so much. Yeah. Do you guys hear the train? How do you feel about the marriage certificates? So go official, phela manje, no going back. But you know, paperwork, it makes it like real.
It was already fresh in the system. We just had to fetch the paperwork. On your finger. Kunomntana oqeda ukushada last week Tuesday uzolanda i-marriage certificate namhlanje. Bamtshele ukuthi hey, awulani i-marriage certificate.
Umama uthi hey. Hayibo.
Uthi hamba landa yokulala endlini. She's a stay at home mom.
Isho kanjani?
Ngiyatshela enye indoda lapha
Uxoxa nenye indoda lapha.
Utshela ukuthi ushade yena last week Tuesday. But yavuke namhlanje hamba yokulala.
And that's how the time see. We were supposed to go that next Wednesday. I remember it was a Wednesday.
So
We were supposed to go the exact week later. And then Tinasia 4 months later.
So basically, I think the guy wants to apply for something.
Oh.
I'm not sure. But fun. Everybody wears the same ring.
Now wait. Kushoba.
No, the females wear the same ring. Also men, we all wear silver or black.
Oh, black, yeah.
Some
I still
gold,
want something
but-
different for you. I want to buy you something different. I feel like in the anniversary, we should buy each other rings. I want a different one for you, something unique. Maybe we can do that for our anniversary. Surprise each other with rings.
And rings are
Eh,
not
who
that
tapped you,
expensive.
Litrin?
No, yeah, and rings are not that expensive.
Angiboni
yes.
next. Amaringa wadure ne?
No.
Night train guys, ngizonibonisa it's
Are you
coming.
sitting at the
I am
back?
so excited. It doesn't matter, love. Honestly,
I understand why you're excited. You've been climbing
I
the
know,
tree.
but it's been a minute. Hayi bahambela
But they're
ngale.
not gonna move.
Guys, night train, y'all. Why am I so happy? I am joking now. Alles cuts. Yo. I know space. But baby, there's space, yeah.
The train will not move whilst the doors are kept open.
And for it to close.
So we're deciding on going.
Welcome on board the train to Lagos Station. The next stop is Newbury Station.
Guys, we can start there. It's dark.
What's this?
I like dark jean jackets. The sun is
Welcome
very
on board the train to
The sun here.
Lagos Station. The next stop is in
So you said thrift for all those things. So vela go vlog. Okay, y'all, made it to the mall. I was looking for a sticker nails with French, but aba now. Gobi? But now they're expensive. I remember this one is the prices went up, so I'd have to go to town. They're expensive. I'm sure that's why you see them a price. Yeah, so now I don't know. Maybe to check in Mr. Price. I think pay Mr. Price if by now, but I know they're quite expensive now. I don't know if they have, but let's go into Mr. Price. Yep, I. Scarlet Hill Air Keeper. What's this now?
It's weird when the light goes light, dark, light, dark.
Should I take it? Because you can use it also on top of makeup. And how does it look? Is my face glowing?
Your face is wet.
Let me see.
Face is wet. So is that.
Oh my word, my face is wet. Hey, boy, what the hell?
It's like you put water.
Yo, this thing is raw. This thing is crazy. It's $50. I think I'm gonna take it. Yo. Guys, I don't get it, but the fuck? Sing a shine and tar. This balwe acid. You wanna acid? Ish.
And this is sensitive skin. This is better. It's got rooibos and tea.
And tea. Acid. I know the acids are good, but I don't know. My skin is reacting. I'm not taking it. I need to wash my face. I can feel it. Luma. Oh, sorry guys, I'm not just string move. I'm not buying it. I'm gonna buy the Nivea one. Okay. Let's see. I want to see in the mirror how it looks. I think Finagusa is 4. 5 is too big. This fit, guys. Orange. Stunning. Love it. Bless me. Let's get this jalapeno and garlic and chili peri peri. Chakalak.
Oh, it's 40 bucks that pack.
Garlic and chili. See? Oh, the digging parts.
Chili, right?
Oh, I don't want to dig.
Chili.
I don't want to dig. Yes. Palwes hot and spicy. Asiphila langa.
One wax on the road. Stop throwing them.
Which one are we gonna try today? One thing about Switch, it's got so much variety, né? What flavor is this? Hi. What flavor is this? Sour worms. Watermelon. What's this? Vita C. The other time we tried Vita C, but which one? I think it was this one. We tried this one the other time. Grenadilla. Should we try this one? Pineapple, mango, and cherry. Which one are we gonna try, guys? It's let me take this one. Let's try this one. Grenadilla and gooseberry. Nah? Just find a cold one. This one. Blood orange flavored energy drink. Some ice cream. Huh? Cup, please. I don't like cone.
Mix or plain?
Yeah, mix, please. There's ice cream. I'm not showing you. Don't worry. Mix, please. Yeah. How much? Yeah. Yeah, well, thanks. Hello. Crazy. Never go hungry. Random stop on our walk, guys. We're having ice cream. We're about to taste. What is it called? It's apparently, oh, it smells nice. Blood orange flavor. Blood orange flavor.
These people went into the bottle store to get wine. She went in to Japan. You just had.
Hi, Mr. Carl, Ilona.
Who was that? Drip on your blue shirt.
Guys.
Let's cut.
But
Let's
it actually,
Let's ice cream.
please. It looks pink.
It's blood orange. Wow, blood orange.
This one is nice, yo. Imnandi, guys.
Yeah, machine.
Imnandi, Mare. Oh. The level of potency. Amen.
Level of caffeine, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about it. I'm about to make it a dirty.
But imnandi. So I sponge manje.
About to make it dirty.
Say dasha. Let's continue walking. We're walking home, guys. The mall is not far from where we stay, so yeah. See you at home. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. This thing is so potent now. Cal put a bit of gin. I don't know if it's gin or vodka. From ice cream to this, guys. Munch. Wrong place at the wrong time. I'm waiting for him. He's there doing his stuff. We're still walking home, guys. As I mentioned, our house is not far from the mall, so Masingajahanga sivele siziwokhela. They always want some sort of monetary something. Guys, hello. We're finally home. It's hot. Guys, I burnt my shirts the other day. I think in doing shisa is just this jacket, but I burnt it. I'm so sad. Like, my favorite jackets. Anyway, school kids. Is it necessary to do a haul? Guys. So the first thing I did is wash my face. That thing lesson is the price. That that facial spray. Let me just do the haul before I go pack. I just got in, put the things here, and then ran to the bathroom to wash my face. And then I toner because whoa. Okay, ice cream. Okay, so me eat that and through it. Slippity slip. Got this cola. This is actually a 3 liter. 3 liter. We're not really abantu equal drink kakhulu endlini. More than anything siphuza juice, but mostly chance sathanda ukuthi sizibambe nge-acid nyana. This time around we're going to try this garlic and chili sauce. I didn't take the jalapeno because it didn't make sense to take a garlic chili and jalapeno, and we've tried jalapeno before, so this should be sufficient. Absolute fave in this house is these crumbed chicken burgers or chicken patties. Crumbed chicken, yeah, we call it chicken burgers, but we know that they're patties. Absolutely love. My absolute favorite, like crumbed chicken patties as my number one. And then got 5 of these because they're so damn good. Spicy or nothing. The other time we did record a spicy noodle challenge, but the vibes were not vibing. The lighting was not lighting, like sense of sugu. It was just not giving what it's supposed to give. So I don't know if we're gonna do a spicy noodle challenge again, or we're just gonna have them and it's just gonna be that. And then yeah, that's it. Guys. I am so tired. It's sweat, but I think even this katazil love. Are you tired? You're not tired? I am tired. I just want to stop and drink Aiko, right? So part I can't. We got our certificates. Official marriage certificates. No. That's funny. Official marriage certificates. Sana. Yeah, Gunin is procrastinating. We're supposed to fetch it, but Anna's why is procrastinate. But at least we got it now. Till death do us part, for reals now. So the next step, I need to change my ID and the kids' birth certificates, guys. I paid, but we'll do that another time. Alright guys, that's it. Let me see what we're doing. I'm gonna check on my man to see what's next. Not gonna do too much today. When it comes to cooking, I'm not doing that. So angek sana. Yeah. Oh, this is good. This is really nice. Blood orange flavored. Really good. And it's pink. The color is pink. The color pink. So guys, katele yeah. See y'all. Love you so much. Continue watching this vlog. What's gonna be happening next? I don't know. Guys. Thank you for being here. Please do stay and continue. Saying bye bye to Storm. Because we need to look professional now. Storm needs to go. Hey, Storm needs to go because yeah, Storm just needs to go because I need to look professional. That's why bengifuna amazipho we lon. Babizan namazipho bengwafuna babe. French. Poor guy. Yeah, Diana lentole. French nails, yes. I wanted French because French, you know, French nails. You can never go wrong with French. French or white, but French. You can never go wrong. But if I'm stick on nails with French, yeah, well, because I'm gonna dye my hair black again, and then need to stick on nails with French and just look like a well put together girl, you know. Let me go, guys. I'm talking too much for no reason. Izobonana. Guys, do you know the gospel? Ingomale gospel. Umu Jehovah, evule minyango. Umu Jehovah, evule minyango. Age. Ngiyabhimba khona manje. Mara ithi Umu Jehovah, evule minyango. Umu Jehovah, evule minyango. Age. Eko ongavala. You know that song? That soundtrack is where my life is right now. And please, not my beautiful people, the not so beautiful hearted people, if you are here, hopefully you're not. But that's where my life is currently at the moment. That soundtrack, period. Okay, guys, we'll share more later on. For now, let me go and just rest. I'm gonna chill and see what drink we're gonna have. Faz with pepper. Wait, how? Johanna, Osas Bonisi. Ipo yes, guys. We got a delivery from Mom Box. Make sure to jump onto it. Dalang naming applya, guys. Dalang applya. There are two things that I believe in, that I personally believe in and vouch for: persistence and consistency. Knowledge as well. Three things: consistency, persistence, and knowledge. CPK. Consistence, persistence, knowledge. CPK. Believe in that. Hey, Slicker. Hello, my boy. Gonna make up for you now, ne? For you and Bubbles. Highly believe in that. Don't stop. Especially in Tomoyans are out of love, guys. Eventually, you'll reap the benefits. So I've worked with Dalang apply, guys. Apply. So if now you've been applying beauty bulletin, box, I actually discovered there's an issue with delivering a SOWETO. So that's why they could not my page, guys. So yeah, so I figured it out because I read about, they sent an email out saying why blah, 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 blah. So I discovered that the reason why because my address is township. So they did explain before they could not send out packages in the township for whatever reason. So now they're working with Ipago, so they are able to deliver to us. But my Pago spot is quite a distance, but we did go and pick up Nocal. You'd have seen in the first clip of this vlog is us going to go and collect the package. Yeah, so now they're working with, it's not that far, it's a walking distance, not bad. Like it's not bad. It's not more than 30 minutes walk, so it's not bad. So we went and collected. what I was approved for and what I signed up for. I did sign up for everything, but I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting Vaseline, Sarah, what, Le-Ench, right? The people that I asked for my emails, wow, which is my 9 friends that I'm meant to share the product with so they can test it and try it out as well. I told them, Batong Uwutsi, getting a message, sorry. I told them, they're going to get a lotion, nan. And to my surprise, I get an email saying, congratulations, your thingy, Aramex is on the way. And I'm like, Conjoining, because and I'm looking at the girlies receiving the CeraVe, the girlies receiving the Vaseline Glow, and I'm like, nah, FOMO again, no, being inside. But anyway, grateful. Anything in Ngane, anything in Kulu, guys, I'm forever grateful. Minasana. Diabulela. So this is what we got from Mumbox. Got like okay, definitely Aromates. It's the original Aromates. Like there's like how many of them in here? I think there's like 10 of them. Yeah, Z10 because I have to share with 9 of my friends. So there's a bunch of them in here, guys, man. So I need to and the laba abanye so I need to make an arrangement so that they can get, because I took the emails. I mean, one thing about me, I prefer to stick to my word. I'm not a perfect human being, but I prefer to stick to my word as best as I can. So I need to make sure I give them products and explain this is what they sent me, but in future when they send me other things they'll receive them. Those 9 friends that I got their emails from, the ones that were more forthcoming, you understand, because people become skeptical and it's understandable, you understand, because this thing isn't, it's dodge, which I don't understand because it's me. Why would you feel some type of way? It's Johanna, but it's okay, no problem. Yeah, that's it, guys. We'll put one Sanjay package here. So super excited about that. Yeah, I'm blabbing. I feel like I'm blabbing, but it's okay. It's okay. That's what vlogs are for us to blab and. Okay, shut, guys. No, my vision. I saying stop it because well, I can't wait to get this hair to black. I'm thinking I'm gonna wash my hair now. But I need to go and buy that dye because I'm finna there's these ones is Puma sachets. That's the one I want. Here in neck, a Puma sachet. Yeah, man's. My hair is gonna be charcoal black. So that's the one I want. Guys, for real. Like I'm not even playing with you. I freaking love you so much. Later. Who's back? Back again. So sweet, literally. Actually, they changed the date of the seminar, so so we just decided to go to Home Affairs because we've been procrastinating it. Hey, do you want to say hi? Yeah, no, you don't. Bye.
Hi guys, how are you?
She just came back from school. I wanted to buy you a scrunchie.
No, you didn't.
No, because I wanted a dark blue. I don't know if you wanted a light one. There's a light blue.
Dark blue.
Yeah, but being here, dark blue. Okay, guys.
Oh, light blue.
Light blue. Sorry, man. Later, guys. So value already. Love. Manje. Guys, I'm busy editing Manje and the footage. Galo. Why every time I'm vlogging get a message? What I'm gonna do so if you're going to spend a day with me, let me just finish editing and then I just make that vlog and spend a day with me. I think many YouTube young confused because as the last time I posted on a Sunday, the vlog did well. So last week Sunday I posted it, the vlog is not doing well, and so I'm back to posting randomly as much as I can because at this point I don't know what YouTube wants from me, and yeah, I let me just rather post as much as I can to push nje, yabo? So yeah, I'm about to calc us some wine. We got wine. That's what we're gonna have. I'm just gonna have a glass. I'm not gonna cook and do anything crazy.
One cup.
One glass. Girl, do you have a problem, girl?
Yes, I do.
What's your problem?
I object
What object on?
that you only want to have one glass. The
Like
camera, she's having 55 glasses.
I'm your mother first. Mother first, friends later. So what about you officially? Yeah. Guys, this is me sharing closing off this vlog. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. I love you guys so much. Hey? What's up? Clink, clink. Oh, this one is so nice. Clink, stain.
Mom, couldn't
Oh, sorry. The box guy is obsessed. My box guy, okay, guys. Cheers. We will see you guys on the next vloggity vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting and being here. Mwah. We love you so much from the Abrahams. Crazy. Crazy. Bye, guys. I'm so sorry.
Adios, muchachos.
Guys, just say bye from wherever you are, ladies.
Bye, yo.
Ori, say bye. It's the vlog. Kung video.
Bye.
Ice when it's on amazing. Bye. That's gross. Bye, guys. This clown is gross. Bye.
The